Yamaha continues to raise the bar in the entry-level street bike segment with the launch of the 2025 Fazer FZ15 ABS connected. This latest model is more than just a visual upgrade. It blends everyday usability with smart technology and a commanding design, tailored for today's dynamic riders. Underneath its aggressive bodywork, the Fazer FZ15 packs a 149 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine that delivers 12.4 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and 13.3 Newton-meter of torque at 5,500 RPM. It's not the most powerful in Yamaha's stable, but it's perfectly tuned for urban commutes and light highway cruising. The engine is paired with a 5-speed gearbox, offering smooth and precise shifts whether you're navigating traffic or cruising on open roads. Built on a diamond-type frame, the FZ15 strikes a balance between lightweight agility and sturdy performance. The bike features telescopic front forks and a monocross rear suspension, ensuring comfort and stability across a variety of road surfaces. 17-inch alloy wheels, matched with a 100-section front tire and 140-section rear, provide confident grip and road presence. Braking is handled by a 282mm front disc and 220mm rear disc, supported by single-channel ABS for improved control during sudden stops. One of the standout highlights of the 2025 model is Yamaha's Y-Connect smartphone connectivity. Through the digital LCD display, riders can sync their phones to receive call/message alerts, maintenance tips, and even fuel consumption tracking. It's a thoughtful addition that brings convenience and awareness right to the cockpit. The Fazer FZ15 also comes with LED lighting all around, giving the bike a sharp, premium look while enhancing safety. Design-wise, the Fazer FZ15 makes a bold statement. With a muscular tank, angular body panels, and a sharp tail section, it brings a Streetfighter attitude to the 150 cubic centimeters class. The split-level seat offers decent comfort for both rider and pillion, while the 790mm seat height ensures accessibility for a wide range of riders. Available in Magma Red, Racing Blue, and Midnight Black, the bike offers stylish choices to suit different tastes. With an estimated fuel economy of 83 miles per gallon or 35 kilometers per liter and a 12-liter tank, the Fazer FZ15 promises long city rides without frequent refueling. Yamaha also ensures that the engine complies with modern emission standards, reinforcing its commitment to sustainability. Priced competitively at around $3,100, the 2025 Yamaha Fazer FZ15 ABS connected delivers impressive value. It merges style, everyday performance, and smart tech in a package designed for new and experienced riders alike. Whether you're commuting daily or exploring weekend roads, this Fazer is built to deliver a connected and confident ride.